Today I'm going to teach you how to create a link to open a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to connect multiple documents together or create an interactive PDF that references other files with just a click. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to create the link. This will be your main document that contains the clickable link. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up the editing mode where you'll have access to all the tools needed to modify your PDF. Once you're in edit mode, direct your attention to the left panel and click on More. This expands additional editing options that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. From the expanded menu, click on Link, then select Add or Edit a link. This activates the link creation tool, allowing you to designate specific areas of your document as clickable links. Your cursor will now change, indicating you're ready to create a link. Next, draw a rectangle on the text or area where you want to create the link. Simply click and drag to form the rectangular boundary around the text that will serve as your clickable element. Once you've drawn the rectangle, a Properties window will appear. Navigate to Link Type and choose your preferred option, such as Visible Rectangle or Invisible Rectangle. The visible rectangle will show a border around your link, while the invisible option keeps it hidden but still functional. Choose what works best for your document's design. Now navigate to Link Action. This is where you specify what happens when someone clicks your link. Click the circle beside Open a File, as this tells Acrobat that clicking the link should open another PDF or document. Click Next to proceed. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to select the file you want to open when someone clicks the link. Navigate through your folders, select the desired file, then click Open. This establishes the connection between your link and the target document. A window will appear asking how you want the file to open. Select New Window, then click OK. This ensures the linked file opens in a separate window rather than replacing your current document, which provides a better user experience. In the upper left, click the X button to exit the Edit option and return to normal viewing mode. Before saving, it's a good idea to test your link. Simply click the text or area where you created the link to verify it opens the correct file in a new window. Once you've confirmed everything works properly, click the Save button in the upper right to preserve your changes. Your PDF now contains a functional link that opens another file, making your document more interactive and connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.